Alright, so you're probably here to make a plushie of Dante or just want to consume some Limbus Company content. And Limbus fans must consume. Anyway, it's a good tutorial, I think. Also stick around until the very end for a very special announcement. And also I suggest watching the whole video through before starting, as things may not be perfectly clear, and you'll get clearest version of things if you watch all the way through. So yeah, there's that. And anyway, the song playing is In Hell We Live, Lament, and the marble run in the background is The Lakes. I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 14th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a goofy plushie. Wonky. It's okay for a plushie to turn out a bit wonky. If it's being done by hand, it'll probably be a bit. So don't feel bad about that. So the first thing you're gonna want to go do is grab the pattern from the description and print that out. I also have all my other patterns linked down below, which you should be able to tell which one you're supposed to click on for the new pattern if you can read. If you can't read, then I don't know what you'll do with this. Ignore that, it's just a stupid joke. So once you have that done, you're going to want to cut out the pattern pieces. And now you want to outline those pieces on fabric and cut them out. You're gonna need 1 torso piece in black, 2 torso pieces in red, 4 palm pieces in black, 6 limb pieces in black, 6 limb pieces in red, 1 tie in red, 1 face piece in black, 2 clock pieces in red, 1 clock hand in yellow, 2 clock sides in red, and 2 fire pieces in yellow. Yeah, you're gonna want to cut those out. And now you're probably starting the head. You're gonna want to start the head. So take the clock face, which is in black, and take the clock hands, which should be in yellow, and attach them together, attach them like this. Have the circle on the clock hands be the center, and have the rest going on, and so that it points out in both directions. And then attach the new clock face to one of the red face panels. Now take the 2 side pieces and attach them on one of the short ends. Now attach them on the other short end. And now you're going to want to take the clock face and attach it to the side pieces. The side pieces should be the ones connected to the front. And now you're going to want to start connecting the other side. Do not go all the way around. Go most of the way, though. Leave enough for what comes next, though. So now you're going to want to invert it through the hole well, tie a knot before doing that so that your sewing work isn't undone, but go on and invert through that hole. Gonna want to stuff it. And close up the hole. Don't stuff it too much. Make sure you didn't stuff it too much before doing this though, because it may end up a little rounder than it should if you stuff it too much. And now you're gonna want to make both sides of the fire. Like attach both sides, leave like the flat side, the long flat part open so that you can, for reasons, I don't know. Then you're going to want to attach it onto the head along the open side that you left after inverting it. Attach it so that one clock hand is pointing up and the other clock hand is pointing to your left, or Dante's right. So once you start the body, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the black panel for the torso and attach the tie to it along one little line, or you could go all the way around. It's your choice. Like the thinner part is supposed to be the top of the torso. Then you're gonna want to grab a red panel, attach that to the black panel. Like this, make sure that you can't see the tie while doing it. Then do the same with the second red panel. Now attach both panels that are currently unconnected. Now you're going to want to grab the bottom piece, which I failed to mention earlier. It should be black, and attach it to the bottom. Go all the way around. Now invert it and stuff it. And attach it to the head. So when you start the arms, you're going to want to grab the two arm panels of matching color and attach them along the side, like just one long side. Then do the same with the third one, attach it to one of the other two's long sides. Then attach the two unconnected long sides. Add a little palm, which should be in black. Invert it. Now do another in red. And one in black. And one more in black. Attach a red one here. Stuff it first. Attach the second red one here and stuff that too, of course. Attach a black one here, stuff it. And attach the last one here and make sure it's stuffed. So, that's how you make a Dante plushie. I think they're super cute, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any ideas, make sure to share them down in the comments below. If you made it, if you made the plushie, share it in the community tab. I got that enabled so people can share their stuff in it. Like, I'd love to see, like, the plushies you make in it. And if you are... Oh, hint time! Alright, so what's a good hint for the next plushie? Usually end off videos with these, so, Sweet. I think that's a good hint. Anyway, for that announcement, I'm doing a special Halloween event, next month. It's gonna start very soon. 5 plushies, 5 tutorials. Well, not technically 5 plushies. Technically more because one of the tutorials has multiple plushies. But essentially, 5 parts. Each tutorial will end with a little short connecting them together and telling a silly little story about Halloween. And I'll only use plushies that I've made tutorials for. Anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Or hit the notification bell, hype it up, whatever. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Take care. Goodbye.